Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to change server in Dota 2, so you can get the best connection and lowest ping for your matches. Step 1. Changing the server in Dota 2 is very simple. First, go to the main menu and click on the Play Dota button. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the region option. Click on it to view all available servers across different parts of the world. Step 3. You'll also notice the ping listed next to each server, which helps you choose the fastest one. Lower ping means smoother gameplay and fewer delays. Step 4. You can select up to 3 servers at once, which is helpful if one server becomes unstable or crowded during peak hours. Step 5. If you prefer not to choose manually, you can leave the region settings empty. This allows Dota 2 to automatically select the best server for you based on your location and connection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and helpful Dota 2 tutorials.